Good morning, 6th graders. It is Wednesday, April 29th today. Sorry I haven't shown you my face in a while. This whole distance learning experience has been crazy for all of us. Between planning lessons and keeping up on grading and responding to email questions that kids have been sending, I really haven't been doing much more than just making sure things are set up for you to go with the videos that Mr. Rocco and Ms. Hart have been making as we are learning about thermal energy. We're going to be continuing that today by doing you're going to be watching 3 videos led by Mr. Rocco, and you're going to do some data collection or recording some information on the document that is attached to the assignment. It's going to look like this. So there are 3 separate videos. So you've got 3 charts that you're going to be putting that information in. So you're going to record that and get that turned in, and that will be today's assignment. Please let me know if you've got any questions that you can't get the answers to in the videos. I am watching Schoology messages all day, and we'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you would like to ask me a question face-to-face or just see what my house's desk area looks like, please join the Google Meet this afternoon. I have one on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 1:30 to 3 o'clock. The code for the meeting is on the screen. It is Sexton Science Help. So all you need to do is open up the Google Meet app and type that in as the meeting code. And as long as I am there and have it opened up, it'll work for you to come on and ask your questions. Otherwise, if you are having a hard time knowing what we're doing every day, please look at the daily slides in Schoology. If you look at the main science page, the first thing on the list is going to be the daily slides. This is the same slideshow that I was using during the school year for warm-up questions and for our daily agendas. So I've been continuing to use that. A lot of times I will put videos in there if I have videos to show you, and you can just click on it. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have a good day. Next week you will be doing a little bit of designing your own thermos, and hopefully that'll be a good experience for you to try some things on your own to see what works best when working with keeping things cold. Yes, someone here would like to say hi. This is Paul. He's in kindergarten, and he's about ready to start his distance learning today. Maybe right after he gets out of his pajamas.
No?
Have a good day. I will talk to you later.